Are you ready? Are you ready?
Hi.
Yes? Okay, there you go.
Today.
What color are you going to pick first? What color is it? Is it orange? Kind of dark. Let Mommy turn on the light.
Pink.
Oh, you got pink? There, that's better maybe. Are you going to color with pink?
I like that.
Is it pink?
Yeah.
It's not pink? What about the blue one? Can you get blue?
No. So cute.
Ooh, it's brown.
No.
What about red?
Okay.
Yeah? You want to color with red?
And the orange.
And the orange?
And the red. And the red.
That one's blue.
No. Simple red.
Are you going to keep them in the right order? Good girl.
Hey, blue jet.
Blue? Oh, that's pretty. What about green? You want the green one?
I got it.
What is that? What are you coloring?
Over there?
The black one?
Yeah. Back.
Is it black? Ooh, it's actually dark blue. That's a pretty color, huh? Here's the black one. That's the black one. That's very pretty.
It's done?
Yeah. Lie. Can you say bye? I'm going to turn off the camera. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Good girl.